A is for
Apple red.
apple red. Wow. B is for
Bow.
C is for
Cat.
D is for
Ah!
come on. D is for
Rat.
E is for
Egg.
G is for goat. What does a goat says? Meh. H is for ha ha ha. H. H is for come on. H is for H. Come on. H is for hot. I is for igloo. L is for
Love. Mama.
very good. L is for love, mama. And M is for M. M is for
Mama.
very good. P is for
Papa.
very good. O is for okay. W X Y and what's the color of the apple?
Red apple.
Oh, very good.